Hello, I'm Kathleen. I'm here to teach you how to fund your Sportybet account using Palmpay and do other stuff using Palmpay too. So start with how to fund your Sportybet account. So you open your Palmpay account app. You open your Palmpay app. You go on the services. You see airtime, data bundle, betting fund. Select betting fund, and get the betting site the betting sites that you want. You want Sportybet, so I selected Sportybet. Next, I'm to put in my user ID. Let's say my user ID is 12345 blah blah blah. There you go. Next, you have to select the amount of money you want to use to fund Sportybet. So let's say I choose 10,000. Next, you select pay. And if you do actually have a Sportybet account with a valid user ID, your Sportybet account will be funded with the amount you just specified. But since I don't have one, it didn't work. You can hear say it said user ID is invalid because actually that is not a real user ID. So